TheRVkeys Quickie. Here I am with one of our cats, Tan, and we're going to show you how we put in a Rev-A-Shelf kitchen organizer inside this cabinet. Here's our cabinet before. You see inside it goes back about almost 30 inches. Tomorrow the tech is going to put in a Rev-A-Shelf Pullout pantry. And this is probably the last time Tan will be checking this out. Hey Tan, what are you doing in there? Come on out of there. Well, it's a day later and now Tan is eating his dinner. And we're going to show you the new cabinet here. Alright, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, ta-da! And here is our new Rev-A-Shelf Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. Thank you for watching this video on our installation of the Rev-A-Shelf Pull-Out Organizer. Just remember always to open the doors to adventure and start all your journeys with the RV Keys. Have a nice day.